the new year, to celebrate the new year. We're just going to spend one night there. I had to work today, so to any of you guys who had the wonderful privilege of laying on your couch and just enjoying that, I don't like you, because I had to work. But anyways, we are on our way, and now, yeah, about a 4-hour drive. We'll get there about 7.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm excited. Something to do. I don't have my tripod right now, but we'll get there. So I'll check in with you guys when we arrive at the hotel and show you guys how our evening will go. All right, bye.
Being a friend. That's all I know.
And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Da-na-na, da-da-da.
Yeah, I used to hate when, what's that, MASH used to come on.
They should hire us to do the remix of the song if they ever bring the show back. So we stopped at, we stopped at Arby's, and I got a Euro wrap. Hoping it's good. I wanted extra sauce, but the young lady that was working there was very young, and I don't think she understood what I was saying, but just wanted to show you guys. And another, look at this. I can actually put my food in my lap. I can eat in my lap. Ah! Yeah.
He going so fast, I felt the wind go by.
Yeah, already driving crazy out here, y'all. We are 10 minutes from our hotel. It is 7:33. Whew. We're almost there. Almost there. We're getting there. You mad at me because you farted and you stink. You mad at me because you farted and you stink.
It's a natural thing.
You said what?
Y'all build up.
I only fart how many times?
2 months.
I only fart once every 2 months.
Yeah.
Well, you fart every day and your ass still smell like you're dying, so I don't know. So it might be best that I only fart once every 2 months. Really, the burps? The burps? No. Alright, we are headed into the downtown area. This fine gentleman over here missed his turn and blamed it on me, of course. But I think it's because he passed gas. There's Beale right there. So this is Beale, I do believe, straight ahead. It's already super thick out here. A lot of people. It's gonna be crazy. We're trying to get to our hotel so that we can get dressed. In 1,000 feet, turn. That's the FedEx Forum building. If any of you guys are from the Memphis, Collierville, Germantown, Nashville area, leave it in the comment section down below. We
Take
come
the next left onto South 4th Street.
We come to Memphis often. There's a good shot of the downtown area. Look at the big bell on the First Horizon building.
Turn left onto Union Avenue.
We're having some issues getting to our hotel room. They have everything blocked off, and we're staying downtown.
In 1,000 feet, continue straight onto North Danny Thomas Boulevard.
I'm hoping that we're able to get to where we're going. It's weird.
Continue straight onto North Danny Thomas Boulevard. Then
We should be good right here. This is the back way. This is the part of the thing gonna be right in front on the left side. We're gonna pass that area where we took the picture on the wall.
And we're coming up on, I believe our hotel is...
Turn left onto Madison Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
Right up here on the right. We stay at this hotel, how many times now? Four times? 5 times? It's just one of our favorite hotels. And if you could see down there, we're within walking distance, but this is the hotel that we're staying at up here on the right, which is the Hotel Napoleon. Beautiful.
Your destination is on the right.
We're headed over to the hotel to check in, and then we got to get ready. It's not too cold. It's not even really cold. It's quite mild out here. I'm excited. Oh, they have the lobby decorated. Look.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Happy New Year.
What's that last name?
I don't know if I put it. You can do.
One night only is all I have to give.
Headed to the room. We're trying to get the room for an additional night. Oh, this is the one we was in the first time we stayed here. What's it? Alright. Home, sweet home for the new year. Doritos? This is my favorite part of the room. You get the downtown view. The man at the desk said we are just close enough and just far away. All right, we're gonna get ready and find out what we're gonna have going on for tomorrow. I'll be back to do a little quick tour of the room. So the room comes with a king size bed. Do you know the inch size of the TV?
It's about a 42, 50. That's about a 50.
About a 50-inch TV. You have ample space for all of your activities. They give you a wonderful robe. As I stated, you have this wonderful window moment here. Look at the people out there looking snazzy for their New Year's Eve night. And then I'm gonna take you guys over here. Oh, I didn't show this. Look at this. They gave us a free New Year's Eve souvenirs. How cool. So we'll be dressed and ready to go out. And then we have this wonderful area right here that I love so much. It's the windows overlooking the street. It's so cool. And then you have, of course, the bathroom. Your normal toiletries, towels, things of that nature. Nice bath toiletries. And then you have your shower. Just wanted to show y'all the room just in case you guys are ever in Memphis. Please come and stay at the Napoleon Hotel downtown. It's so worth it. We love it. We stay here all the time. See y'all in a little while. We are out here on Beale Street trying to find something to drink.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Out on Beale Street, and this one needed to eat before he could drink. So he got a $20 turkey leg. Two of them, because I was like, I'll just eat some of yours, and he was like, and I was like, okay, well, you know, fine, just get two of them. $40 on turkey legs. Okay, cool, whatever. Here's my turkey leg. We haven't even started drinking yet, so we're headed back to the other entrance because it's getting super thick out here, and we trying to find somewhere to sit down so we can drink, because yeah,
Look, she went like the way I want.
You tired?
Yep.
My bunny ear is still going. I wonder if they ever stop. For $20, they better go for the next 20 years.
My feet were fucked up.
Whew. Oh my God. Get it, girl. Get it. Hey, fuck it up.
Damn.
I wasn't recording a thing. I was just talking my ass off, but we just finished the whole celebration. We're on our way back to our hotel now. Woo, it is time to lay it down. I'll make sure to include some of the clips from the celebration. I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's Eve celebrations. I love you guys. Thank you all for being here, and I will check you all later.